Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to take screenshots without using the power button on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now there are three main methods to take a screenshot without using the power button on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now the first method is to use a shortcut button to take a screenshot in the control center. Now to do that, just scroll down and open the control center. Now from here, just tap on take a screenshot and it will take a screenshot just like that. Now if you cannot find this setting in your control center, just scroll down and tap on edit. Now from here, tap on edit. Now from here, just search take a screenshot icon. From here, once you find it, just tap on it and tap on done to add it. Now once you have added the take a screenshot icon in your control center, just tap on it and it will take a screenshot just like that. Now the second method to take a screenshot without using the power button is to go to the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, tap on interaction and dexterity. Now from here, just enable assistant menu. Now from here, tap on allow. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled the assistant menu. Now from here, just tap on the assistant menu and tap on take a screenshot. And this was the second method to take a screenshot without using the power button. Now the third method is to take a screenshot by swiping across the screen with the palm of the hand. Just like that. Now to enable this feature, just go back. Now from here, just scroll up and tap on advanced features. Now from here, just tap on motions and gestures. Now from here, scroll down and make sure you enable palm swipe to capture. Now once you enable this feature and you swipe across the screen with the palm of your hand, you can take a screenshot just like that. And this is how you can take a screenshot without using the power button on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.